Dear students, in exercise 2.5, fifth question is factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. So if you look at the question, you will understand it is the expansion of x plus y plus z bracket square, x plus y plus z bracket square. We know this is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Now understand, here since these last two terms are negative, so these two terms are negative, let us check, let us see what is common in this. So since z is common, it means that z must have a negative sign. So let us check the first 4x square. 4x square is a perfect square of 2x. Then 9y square is a perfect square of 3y. 16z square is a perfect square of 4z. But please note, since last terms are negative, this is also a perfect square of negative 4z. If you square this, we will get a plus 16z square. Now let us check whether we are getting the middle term or not. That is 2 multiplied by first and second. 2 multiplied by 2x into 3y, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 xy. So we have got the next term. Let us check 2 multiplied by second and third, that is 3y into, we are going to take negative 4z since these two terms are negative. So we will get 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24, negative 24yz. And last is 2 multiplied by xz, that is 2 multiplied by 2x into negative 4z, that is equal to negative 16xz. So you can understand we have got the last term as well. Means this is nothing but an expansion of 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz is nothing but an expansion of 2x plus 3y minus 4z bracket square. Now next question is factorize 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. Now if you look at the question, it is nothing but an expansion of x plus y plus z bracket square. We have this identity. So we are going to use this identity in reverse order. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Now watch carefully. Since first this term, the fourth and last term is negative, since these two terms are negative, in this x is common, so x must have a negative sign. Let us expand this. Now 2x square is a perfect square of 2 root 2x bracket square. But since x is having negative sign, this we are going to take negative root 2x bracket square. Then second term y square is a perfect square of y only. Third is 8z bracket square. This is the expansion of root 8z bracket square. Root 8 can be written as, understand this, if you expand this, you will get 4 into 2. 4 will come out of the root as 2. So this is equal to 2 root 2z bracket square. Now let us check whether we are getting the next terms or not. That is 2 multiplied by first and second, that is minus root 2x into y, that is equal to negative 2 root 2 xy. So we have got the next term. Let us check whether it is possible to get 2 multiplied by second and third term. So if you multiply these 2 into 2 root 2 z, we will get 4 root 2 yz. So we have got the next term also. Let us check 2 multiplied by second and third, that is 2 multiplied by y into, first and last, that is 2 multiplied by negative root 2x into 2 root 2 z. So if you expand this, you will get a root 2 into root 2 as 2, means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to negative 8xz. So we have got the last term as well. It means this is an expansion of, that is the question, 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz is an expansion of this first term minus root 2x, second is plus y, and third is 2 root 2 z bracket square. So if you square this, you will get the same answer. Next, sixth question is write the following in expanded form. So we have a plus b, this is 2x plus 1 bracket cube. Now if you look at the question, it is nothing but of the form a plus b bracket cube. This is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube of this form. So 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 bracket cube is equal to cube of the first 2x bracket cube plus 3 multiplied by square of the first into second plus 3 multiplied by first into square of the second plus cube of the second term. So this is equal to 2 cube of 2 is 8x cube. Here we will get, first we have to solve the index, so this will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12x, this will be 6x, sorry 12x square, this will be 6x plus 1. Next question is 2a minus 3b bracket cube. Now this is of the form a minus b bracket cube. This is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Please note, negative signs are alternate. So this will be 2a minus 3b bracket cube will be equal to cube of the first, that is 2a bracket cube minus 3 multiplied by square of the first into second plus 3 multiplied by first into square of the second minus cube of the second term. This is equal to 8a cube. Square you have to solve first, so this will be 4 9s are 36, 36a square b, this will be 3 3s are 9, 9 6 are 54 plus 54ab square minus 27b cube. Next question is 3 upon 2x plus 1 bracket cube. Now this is an expansion of a plus b bracket cube, that is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now it is of this form, so let us solve it. 3 by 2x plus 1 bracket cube is equal to cube of the first 3 by 2x bracket cube plus 3 multiplied by square of the first into second plus 3 multiplied by first term into second term square plus cube of the second term. So this becomes 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 upon 8x cube. This will be 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 27 upon 4x square. This will be 9 upon 2x and last term will be 1 as it is. Next question is x minus 2 upon 3y bracket cube. Now please understand, this is of a minus b bracket cube form, that is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Please understand, negative signs are alternate. So this will be x minus 2 upon 3y bracket cube is equal to cube of the first x cube minus 3 multiplied by square of the first into second 2 upon 3y plus 3 multiplied by first as it is into square of the second, that is 2 upon 3 y bracket square minus 2 upon 3y bracket cube. So this is equal to x cube, 3 will cancel with this, you will get negative 2x square y, this is square, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 will cancel, so you will get 4 2 square is 4, then 4 upon 3 xy square, this will be negative, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27 and y cube.